and the whole audience हाथ ऊपर किया, किसने कैंसर अच्छा करना है? So everyone raised a hand for tender loving care. Never give up your fight. That's it. That's going to be.
So tell us something about the book.
Pooja, after 64 years of healthy life, when I got this cancer, and it was the first time I faced, and that was also stage 4 cancer. And stage 4 requires only palliative chemotherapy, and there was no resection possible, there was no transplant possible. So I knew that the journey was going to be tough. But all the first 3 months was difficult for me to adjust to the chemotherapy and accept that I am having cancer. I am a cancer patient. So first 3 months I took time to come to the terms with my cancer. I accepted destiny, but I decided to do something good for the society. When I am having a cancer, everyone looks upon me कि ये डॉक्टर अब क्या करेगी, उसको तो कैंसर हो गया है. सो डॉक्टर तो जिएगी, स्टाइल में जिएगी, एकदम जोर से जिएगी, लेकिन तुम लोगों को भी कुछ सिखा के जाएगी. That's what I decided. That's what I decided to write a book. Now in this book I have decided to give my story. It's like cancer diaries, how I feel every day. Today I'm up, today I'm down, so I'm writing my cancer diaries. So my feelings are there for first maybe 1/3. Then I'm taking one of my colleague, Dr. Jigna. She was also having a desmoid tumor. Now desmoid is a very slow growing tumor, and she fought it out in today 6 years and she's cured. And mine is a very fast growing tumor, so 2 ends of tumors. So I've taken her history, her story of how she fought it, because she had to undergo operation. I didn't have to undergo, so I'm taking her part. But then I've decided to educate the public about what is the etiology of cancer, what are the signs and symptoms of cancer, why cancers are more in USA, why less here, and how can you early detect the cancer. Then I'm giving them the real scientific treatment of cancer. People do not know अब क्या करने का, कहाँ जाने का, मुझे ये कैंसर हो गया, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हो गया, स्टेज 3 बोल रहे, कहाँ जाऊँ, इम्यूनो ले लूँ क्या, कीमो ले लूँ क्या, रेडिएशन ले लूँ. So I have written there what are the investigations part, क्या क्या investigations करते हैं, पेट स्कैन क्या है, CT स्कैन क्या है, तुम्हारे ट्यूमर मार्कर्स क्या होते हैं, जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग क्या होते हैं, all those things I am giving one chapter. Then I am giving a scientific treatment. Scientific treatment is, one is surgery, second is radiation, and third is chemotherapy. And now new one is coming as targeted therapy and immunotherapy. Immunotherapy 2 types होती है. One is dendritic cell immunotherapy, one is monoclonal cell therapy. So I am giving scientific knowledge in the language which lay people can understand. And then, Pooja, after that I want to take a non-scientific treatment, because non-scientific, there is a non-scientific, भले तुम्हारी कीमो से नहीं, कीमो टॉलरेट ही नहीं हो रहा है, so is there something else? So I have to give different options. So I have to give them the option of Ayurvedic treatment. I have a full chapter, 35 pages of Tibetan medicines I've read. So Tibetan talks about soil and the seed. They prepare the soil. I like that thing. Maybe because I am not having suffering because of Tibetan and Ayurvedic, perhaps. No side effects. So I am writing a chapter on Tibetan medicines. Then I am writing a chapter on naturopathy. Then I am talking on homeopathic treatment. So I talk about these 4 treatment, naturopathy. Then I talk about meditation. You know who has written a chapter? Meditation is cancer. BK Shivani. Shivani Didi has written a beautiful chapter on meditation as cancer healer, and I'm following that perfectly as she's written. And I'm going to see that she comes for our opening. I wish she does that opening. She must see this, and I'll send it to her. Then I'm going to write on yoga and pranayam as cancer healer, meditation as cancer healer. Then I'm talking on diet as prevention and treatment of cancer, which Dad is going to write. And exercise, what exercise we should do. And last but not least, I'm going to talk why I can fight cancer so bravely, today you see me, you can't make out that I am having, सिर्फ इसको देख के आपको लगेगा कि इसको कुछ गड़बड़ है. यहाँ भी एक मेरा कैंसर है इधर. You will not know that I am a cancer patient if you see me with my topi on. Why? It's because of a tender loving care. TLC. एक बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी 2016 में यूएसए में, कैंसर के ऊपर थी. एंड दे टॉक्ड अबाउट सर्जरी, दे टॉक्ड अबाउट radiation, they talked about chemotherapy, they talked about immuno, and last they talked about TLC, that is tender loving care. And the whole audience हाथ ऊपर किया, किसने कैंसर अच्छा करना है, was a question asked. So everyone raised a hand for tender loving care. How I got it from my husband, my children, my patients, my colleagues, 36,000 gynecologists and so many doctor friends. Never, 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 never give up your fight. That's it. That's going to be the book.